If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient circular saw, you can't go wrong with Makita. Known for their high-quality tools, Makita circular saws are a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 Makita circular saws currently available on the market. From power and performance to durability and ease of use, we'll cover it all. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more information on the featured products, including pricing and customer reviews. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know in the comments below. So, let's get started.
Get an ultra-compact cutting solution for plywood, drywall, and more. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3 3/8 inch circular saw kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient Makita-built motor is engineered for faster cutting. The 3 3/8 inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, with a tilting base for accurate bevel cuts. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size. Built for contractors who rely on the circular saw day in and day out. Introducing the Makita 5007 NK. Makita built more features into the 5007 NK, so contractors get improved ergonomics and ease of use, as well as commercial-duty cutting power. The powerful 15-amp Makita-built motor is engineered for the toughest jobs, whether it's cutting OSB sheet or plywood. You also get 56-degree bevel capacity with positive stops at 22 and 45 degrees. The large wraparound base has an easy-to-read scale with a clear sight line to the line of cut for increased accuracy. And the flat motor housing allows for quick blade changes with the onboard Allen wrench. Makita engineered ergonomics and comfort into the 5007 NK with an ergonomic rubberized grip and an oversized adjustment lever. Get power and performance for the toughest cutting applications. Looking for a cordless circular saw that combines brushless motor technology with battery innovation? Introducing the world's first cordless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw. It's powered by 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36 volts of power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The helical gear system is engineered for better transmission efficiency over current gear styles. With no oil needed and no brushes to replace, that means easy maintenance for you. The Makita-built, electronically controlled brushless motor delivers up to 5,100 RPM for efficient cutting. This new original delivers. It can make up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber on a single charge. This saw can cut a 3x in a single pass with a full 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity. It also has soft start and an electric brake for maximum productivity. The saw has a die-cast magnesium base and blade guard, which combines durability with less weight. For the most demanding cuts, automatic speed change technology goes to work. This automatically adjusts the speed and torque under load for optimum cutting performance.
We're here in Seattle, Washington, getting ready to start a big research facility. Today we're preparing to create a duct bank to run some temporary power through. It's surprising to have a battery-powered saw that doesn't bog down. It The cut's really clean, it's fast, there's no boggy feeling at all, there's no awkward jam feelings that you get as you're running it. Uncanny how well it's performed.
I liked it. I like the saw. The fact that it's easy to get your hand on and 2 hands on the saw for better control.
It was great. I love the power of the saw. It's lightweight, perfect for what I do. This is a great feature. Tether it right here. You've got the setup so you don't drop the saw over the edge.
I cut everything with a new saw, you know, it's really nice, really comfortable. Everything is good, the power is really nice, you know. Control, it's exactly what you need. Easy, easy. I buy it, it's sweet. It's very cool, very comfortable, and it feels good, very strong. Perfect.
The saw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
Without cords, it's almost like you have to retrain your brain to know that there's not a cord there, because so much of your cutting process when you're making long rips have to do with where your cord is.
Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions. Makita is a leader in the circular saw category. Now get one that'll cut 4x in a single pass. The Makita 10 1/4 circular saw. This is a new addition to Makita's circular saw lineup, built for commercial applications. The saw has big capacity and long service life, but with less weight. It has a magnesium die-cast blade case and guard, and an aluminum base for durability. It has a large cutting and bevel capacity, and precision gearing with ball and needle bearing design.
We're on Kiwa Island doing interior woodwork on the finest homes in the area. Yeah, this is a great step in between the two, the giant one and the regular 7 1/4 that we have. It weighs, not that much, but it's in control, but it has plenty of motor. I like it a lot.
Yeah, very lightweight, easy to use, a good grip, and cuts well.
When I saw it, I thought it was going to be really heavy. When I used it, I was surprised at the fact that it was lightweight. Some applications like ripping, once you get started ripping and pull the guide back, you kind of need that front handle because it's such a large saw. But yes, once I did use it, it felt comfortable. It's not a knob. I like the fact that it's a longer handle. You can just kind of push on it or you can grip it. I would definitely recommend it to other framers. We haven't used it for an extended period of time, but from what I've seen today, it could definitely find a spot in the trailer.
Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters, the 7 1/4 magnesium circular saw. The 15-amp motor with a max output of 2,300 watts delivers proven performance. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has a beveled capacity that reaches 56 degrees. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The built-in LED light and dust blower enhances the line of cut for increased accuracy. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers. With easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings, the 7 1/4 magnesium circular saw.
Thanks for watching our video on the top Makita circular saws. We hope it was helpful in finding the right tool for your next project. For more information on the saws featured in this video, check out the links in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and recommendations.